What's up, guys? So I swung by Sam's Club and I decided to check out some of the sound bars. Play some of the demos together. They had a little bit of everything. That Vizio, LG, Sanos, Samsung, Sony's. It was all kinds of stuff here. So let's get to it. First of all, this Vizio V series. 5.1 surround sound, rear speakers and sub, all for $199. Setup. Now here's some of the Sanos. Now this is the 1SL. This definitely had kind of a richer sound than the Soundbars, and all that in a smaller package. You kind of get what you pay for sometimes. This is a smaller guy, but definitely sounded a lot bigger than it was. $329, but hey, at least you get two of them.
Rather than you break your mother's heart.
Up next, we have this LG soundbar.
Are you ready to get in the middle of the action? Or jump into a dark and stormy night?
Sound effects on this guy were really obvious. You could hear the zoom, zoom, zoom.
And more detail. From a catchy bass line to sweeping orchestral soundtracks. LG soundbars adapt sound to what you're watching, giving home theater sound greater effect. That's the cinematic, multi-dimensional power of LG soundbars.
$199 for that 4.1 channel, 420 watts.
Are you ready?
Next, we have quite a few Samsung soundbars to check out. Look at that display. Now this is the HWT45C. It's a smaller one up top. Really sounds like surround sound without any rear speakers. Now here's the bigger HWT. Here's the Sanos Beam for $369. This is a lot smaller, but man, this thing can get it. Listen to that.
Rather you try to get some sun. You remind me of everyone. Rather than you break your mother's heart.
This theater demo really shows you what it can do with sound effects. Listen to that rumble. All that without Atmos. Now here's some classic with the Bose. Nice and compact. This thing could definitely hold its own, but that Sonos was pretty impressive in itself.
Might be a mess, but I try my best.
Too bad when it comes time to play some tunes either. Listen to that.
I don't second guess now, cause no one knows me better than me.
Now some Samsungs. Shabby at all. This one's really sleek looking too. They have a nice metal grill, kind of gives it the upscale look. They're not really expensive either. What is that? Here's the big boy on the bottom now. Oh yeah. Turn it up. You can really feel that powerful bass with the included subwoofer. There's the box. And that's pretty much it. You know what? One other thing. No trip to Sam's Club is complete without a stop to the snack bar where I picked up a slice of pizza for my beautiful wife and I. We got to enjoy it while the car charged. All right, so that's going to do it for this one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for lots more videos just like this. Peace.